Day 4 of the 2024 Lather Games. We're going with Cremo Reserve Blend Lathering Cream, followed by the complimentary Kentucky Bourbon from Fuzzy Face Soaps, an obscure brand on Etsy that has since closed. Great smell, great stuff. And complimentary Cedarwood and Geranium Goodfellow Target brand, the Cremo Horsehair Brush. It's going to be a quick shave today, even left-handed. The Schick Injector, I just put a fresh 10-pellet blade in there. We're going to be ready to go in a minute. I'm going to palm lather left-handed. Just so you know, there's no trickery. Of course, I wear my watch on my left hand. Here we go. See, already